Hello and welcome to my salon. Today I won't be a chef, I will be a nail technician. Because today we shall be giving a pedicure to these chicken feet. Why, you may ask? Because we want the collagen for our bones, for our skin, for our beauty, for our youth, for our whole body.
Okay. So
we're gonna be giving a pedicure. I love animals, please don't come for me. You need to clean it, okay? So I'm gonna clean it with vinegar. You can use it with any acid, lemon, lime, whatever makes you happy. I'm gonna be doing it with vinegar. So I'll be back. Hello. We're back with the feet. So now I will be taking out my Instant Pot. No, not my Instant Pot, sorry. I'll be taking out my slow cooker because otherwise I don't really use the slow cooker. I want this to be done as lazily as possible, okay? So for this, we will be needing scissors. You can do it with a knife. Oh, I should get a small bowl though for the nails. We're going to be starting by taking a chicken feet. You see all the skin? All the skin is good for you. So we're gonna be cutting. I really don't like it when the nails start jumping everywhere. When I'm doing this, it makes me want to be vegan again. This is also good for your pets. You know, it's good for their cartilage, for their little baby bones. I make a bunch and then I freeze. When I was sick, I was having that and I feel like it did help with my recovery a lot. I saw a video of someone that actually leaves their nails in. I don't know, it makes me quite uncomfortable. Would you guys leave the nails in? Not gonna lie, you have to really want to do this. It's not my favorite thing to do. There's other things I'd rather be doing.
We won! We won! Won! Yes, Toby, good job! Oh my, we won! I won! I double won, guys! I double won!
2 hours later.
We are done. Over. So now we'll be adding. Now we're gonna be adding water, but you don't want too much water because you want it to be gelatinous. We're gonna add some apple cider vinegar as well. Just add like a splash.
2 shots of vodka.
Some peppercorns. I don't know if you guys could see my spices, but it's one of my favorite places in the world. I'm gonna add this.
Why is it spicy?
Now we're gonna add some salt.
Sprinkle, sprinkle.
And you know, I could add some vegetable scraps, like if you collect that, which I do, but I'm too lazy. I'm gonna throw this on the slow cooker. This is basically what it looks like. There's just salt, peppercorn, and chicken feet and apple cider vinegar. You can feel free to add any herbs that you want. I just want mine as plain as possible. I'm gonna be covering this. You want this on low for 10 hours, okay?
Okay.
So you leave it here, you forget about it, and you go on with your day. I need to clean this, but we're ignoring that. Look at this liquid gold. You can already see that it's gelatinous. It's as simple as that. If I can do it, you can do it. You get not 1, 2, 3, 4, but 5 jars full of collagen for you to give your pets, yourself, your body, your spirit. This is great if you're sick. You can have it on an empty stomach. There's also plenty of recipes that you can create with this. So you always want to leave a bit of space when you're going to be freezing, because otherwise what's going to happen is that it's going to be exploding.
Believe me, been there, done that.
So I did cheat and give some to my dog already. But look, can you see this? I'm sure you can make dumplings with this. I believe that when you make dumplings, you add a bit of broth in it that's hardened, and then when you boil it, it explodes in your mouth. So yeah, there you go. I'm gonna be freezing these. If I can do it, you can do it. You can do whatever you want. You're just gonna put your mind into it. Okay?